Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about subtraction with regrouping. Now as you can see here, I want to subtract 65 take away 28. So seeing as none of these numbers are less than or equal to 10, I have to make the shape that we always make. And I've put 65 on the top, 28 in the middle, and I'm going to start subtracting. So my first thought is I need to do 5 take away 8, and be careful to always start reading from the top right to the bottom, never from the bottom to the top. So saying 8 take away 5 would be a mistake here. So I want to do 5 take away 8, but we can't do 5 take away 8 because 5 is less than 8. So in this case, what I would have to do is say 5 take away 8. Can I do 5 take away 8? No, I can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow a 10, give it to 5, so that it becomes 15. And now I'm going to do 15 take away 8. 15 take away 8 makes 7. Since I borrowed a 10, I need to return it to the tens. So what I do is I return it here to the bottom left, to the bottom immediate left, which means that if this was 165, actually no, let's say 265, take away 128, I would still return it to the 2, not to the 1. So what we borrow, we return it to the immediate bottom left. So in this case, I return the 10 to the bottom left to this 2, and this 2 grows by 1. It becomes 3, and I say 6 take away 3. 6 take away 3 makes 3. So my result is 37. I would say 65 take away 28 is 37. Be careful to always ask this question of can I do the subtraction, so that you don't borrow needlessly or you will get an incorrect result. So let's say that I had 65 take away 23, for example. If I had to do 65 take away 23, I would start by saying 5 take away 3. Can I do 5 take away 3? Yes, I can, because 3 is less than 5. So I can do 5 take away 3. That makes 2, without borrowing anything. And then I'd say 6 take away 2 is 4, without borrowing anything, without making it complicated at all. Let's do one more example with a 3-digit number. Let's say I want to do 400. Let's make the shape first. Let's say I want to do 427 take away 159. I start from the bottom, from the top right, so the 7, and I say 7 take away 9. Can I do 7 take away 9? No, because 7 is smaller than 9. So I need to borrow 10 and give it to 7, so it becomes 17 take away 9. 17 take away 9 is 8. Then I return this 1 that I borrowed to the bottom left. So as we said before, it goes to the immediate bottom left, not the 1, to the 5. And the 5 grows by 1, becoming 6. And I'd say 2 take away 6. Can I do 2 take away 6? Again, no, because 2 is less than 6. So again, I borrow 1. I give it to the 2, and it becomes a 12. 12 take away 6. And here, you need to keep in mind that this is no longer 5. It's become a 6. You can do something like put a little 1 here to remind you that this has grown by 1. It's no longer 5. It's a 6. You need to keep that in mind. So 12 take away 6 will become 6. And again, I return this to the bottom left, to the 1, and now this one becomes a 2. And I say 4 take away 2. Can I do 4 take away 2? Yes, I can. 4 take away 2 makes 2. And here's my result, 268. And that's basically subtraction with regrouping. See you on Monday.